Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandy, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you guys so much for sticking around. And this video has been a long time coming. I am so excited to be doing a review and showing you guys some swatches and doing like a little mini eye tutorial. As you guys already can tell by the title of the video, it's going to be the Selena collection that released a few months ago. The packaging just looks so gorgeous. So if you guys want to see some swatches and a little eye tutorial, then keep on watching. So the items that I picked up from the Selena collection was the eyeshadow and the lipstick. And then my friend B here on YouTube, Barbara, you guys go check her out, her Instagram, her TikTok. She was so kind enough to send me the highlighter. So I just was waiting for that to show you guys my thoughts on everything. Just so excited to show you guys everything and to show you like a little tutorial. Don't mind my hair, it's a little messy, but once we're done, I'm gonna fix it up with my handy dandy Leyenda pomade. You guys know this is my favorite. If you guys watched my June favorites video, that's my favorite, to tame these like little baby hairs with these ganas and all that stuff that's going on. But let me just shut up and let's just talk about how beautiful the package is. Do you guys see how beautiful that is? Look, it's just like a rainbow, right? Like a unicorn. That's just the outside. This one is actually the eyeshadow palette. Look at that. It's like her bustier, right? You guys watched the Inspired Selena movie. This is the bustier that she made and wore. At least one of them. And the inside, you guys, is so freaking cute. I already had opened it, but the inside is so cute. There's like a picture of her there. Isn't that just so freaking cute? And here are the actual shades. Look at how just beautiful that is. They're just so freaking pretty. I don't know yet what look that I'm going for, but it's going to be something kind of probably nudie because I did pick up her lipstick. Here's the packaging for the lipstick. It's also like a unicorn. Just pretty packaging. Packaging I'm not going to throw away just because it's so pretty. The lipstick that I got was Queen of Cumbia. And I don't know if the eyeshadow palette has a name. Yes, so it's called, the eyeshadow palette has a name, is Me Siento Muy Excited. That's so cute. And then the lipstick. Look. You guys look at that. That is just so freaking beautiful. And it's like a red. Even the lipstick has like a rose in it. Do you guys see that? Wow. I don't even want to put it on. Don't mind my crusty nails. I need to get them done again. But yeah, that is just so freaking gorgeous. And then the highlighter, you guys. And the highlighter also has the same packaging like the bustier. It's just so freaking cute. And it has a little picture of her inside too. And it has a mirror. But I want to show you the mirror. And then here is the highlighter. Look at that. Oh my gosh, you guys. I don't even want to touch it. This one is called La Leyenda. It's just beautiful. I don't even want to touch it. Don't want to touch it. But we're going to do a little look and do a little highlight moment with that. So here are the swatches. These ones are the first row. The one at the end here, you barely see it, but that's more like a, I feel like maybe a highlight shade for your brow bone. And here is the second row of the swatches. Look at how just beautiful they are. That is just one swipe of me swatching them. They'll probably be a little bit more pigmented on the eyes.
Hey you guys, here I'm taking the Plouise Base in 02 and I'm just blending it out with my e.l.f. beauty sponge. Sorry the video ended so abruptly and then I'm going like super fast, but here I'm just taking a Beauty by Rosita brush and it's like the lighter cream shade in the palette, and then I'm just setting the base. Then I'm taking this like brown kind of mustard color with a MAC brush. It has names on there, but they're kind of weird on the eyeshadow palette, so I'm going to figure it out and leave it down below for you guys. But this is like a nice mustardy color. Then I'm going in with that Wayne Goss brush and taking that darker brown shade in the palette. And I'm just packing the color in, and then I like to blend it out once you get your desired like look, the amount of brown that you want. MAC eyeshadows, you guys, never disappoint me. They're so creamy and so easy to blend. Like, I'm never disappointed with their eyeshadows. And then I'm just taking a Beauty by Rosita brush here and just blending it out so I don't have nothing all messy around my edges. Then I'm just taking a MAC flat shader brush and taking that shimmery, it's almost like a pinky kind of like bronzy glitter on the eyes. It's just so pretty. Then I'm just taking the Wayne Goss brush, and then I just pick up a little bit more of that darker brown color in the lighter one at the same time, and then I'm just blending it. That way the glitter shimmer stays put, and then I'm just adding a little bit more to intensify it. Then I'm just taking that cream shade again and just doing my brow bone highlight. Then I'm taking the Beauty by Rosita brush to blend everything together.
So I went ahead and finished my face. I still haven't added the highlighter or the lipstick. I took off the lip gloss so that way the lipstick goes on matte, because I've noticed once I put like lip gloss on my lips and I put a matte lipstick over it, it leaves it kind of shiny, but I don't want that. So yeah, so I finished the eyes. I went ahead and just added mascara, eyelashes, and then just put the same colors under my eye crease right here as the same ones that I did on my eyelids. So let's go ahead and do a little swatch of the highlighter, even though I don't want to touch it. And do a little swatch. I'll do it on the petal so I don't ruin the rose. So you guys see, there it is. She's gorgeous. Now it's time to put this baby on my face. I'm gonna take a Sigma tapered brush, just put a little bit on there, and there she is. Wrapped it on the petal so that way I don't ruin the rose. It just gives you like a nice glow. Can you see that? Look at how gorgeous that is. And I also like to take some on the bridge of my nose and on the center of my nose. And now we're going to apply the lipstick. Let me do a little swatch for you guys on the back of my hand. It's almost similar as the color of my nails. Do you see that? It's almost the same shade. So it's not a very dark red, but it's kind of like a, I feel like a purpley kind of undertone to it. I went ahead and added some Kylie Jenner makeup setting spray, and this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.